Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Walking the streets of Miami, getting my morning cardio in. And I'm just reflecting on, being the best person you could be. I'm walking around, I see healthy, fit people walking to the gym. It's early here, it's like 8 a.m. And then I see people dressed like they're at the club and they're still partying, walking out of the club. It just reminds me, man, that you make your own choices, you make your own decisions. I'm not here to judge, but those choices and decisions are gonna lead you to where you wanna be or you're going to be tomorrow, whether you like it or not. If you're out drinking all night in the club, you're gonna have a headache tomorrow. You're probably gonna meet relationships and friends that are gonna be partying again next week. Or you wake up early, get your morning walk, get fit, eat your fruit, drink all your water, and be on your healthy journey. So when you wake up tomorrow, you feel refreshed, you feel strong, and you feel like you're gonna be the best version of yourself, right? I hate going out and partying. I did that when I was younger, and I felt like shit, and I was hanging around a bunch of lost souls that weren't going anywhere. Now I wake up, I go to church, I go to the gym, and I meet positive individuals that are on the right track, going where I want to go. I go to real estate conferences, I go to real estate meetups. I meet people in real estate that can help me get to the next level. If it's lenders or partners or anything like that, contractors, And you gotta be just wary of who you hang around. Some guy came up and recognized me and was like, hey, you do development? And then he starts telling me all the things he does. And he's just another Miami scam artist, It's like, bro, how do you do all these items? I told him, I said, why don't you just pick one and focus on it? You'd make 10 times more money if you focused all your energy on one way to make money. I chose real estate development, fortunately for me, and super successful. But also my attention wasn't diverted 15 different ways trying to do 15 different things. I do one thing, real estate development. That's all I want to do. So I just want to ask you, are your actions today leading to where you want to be tomorrow? Is your goal tomorrow to be in the club, to have bad health, to be fat, to be financially irresponsible? Or is your goal tomorrow to create generational wealth, to develop skills today that are going to make you tons of money tomorrow, to be in the gym today so you can be fit tomorrow, to eat healthy today so you'll be healthy tomorrow and fit tomorrow and not fat glut like the majority of people? It's not that difficult. It all comes down to choices. Are you going to grab that banana, or are you going to grab the bag of potato chips, salsa? Right? Trust me, I love chips and salsa too. It's like one of my favorite things. I love Mexican food, Tex-Mex. I love it all. But also I wake up, I do my morning walk, I go to the gym, I work out, I take care of myself. You don't see me out all night in the clubs, acting crazy, acting stupid. And I do love to celebrate, don't get me wrong. Hey, if I have something to go out and celebrate for, I'm gonna go celebrate. If I just sold a house and made $500,000, you might see me out a little bit. I'm not gonna be messed up, drinking, acting stupid, because I know where that leads, right? I know that's going to lead me to having a headache the next day, and to being hungover, and then to meeting the wrong people. And once you keep doing that consistently, your life is going to change dramatically. I'm telling you now, it can change fast. Start doing that type of stuff, drinking, now you're in the bars all the time, now you're calling those buddies that you've seen, hey, meet me at the bar. Hey, meet me over here. It happens every day. I want to be that friend that's, hey, you want to meet me at church? All right, I'll save you a seat. Hey, I'll be at the gym. Yeah, let's go. 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 8 a.m., whenever. Hey, you want to go back to the gym at 6? Yes. I want to be the positive influence and the positive role model to the friends and the people around me. And also I have a son. I want to show him how to live a life not being in the clubs, not being partying and doing drugs. Because that's just a downward spiral that leads nowhere. You're going to be prison, you're going to be dead, or you're 100% going to be broke. Definitely going to be broke. better than spending all the money out at the club. Go out one night, wake up, $500. A lot of people out here walking. So yeah, I want to talk to y'all about that, man, because here in Miami, I see all kinds of different people. And it's cool because there's a lot of wealthy people here. And there's a lot of fit people here. There's a lot of smart people here. Because you can tell that they took the time to make the correct actions today. And then you got a lot of dumbasses here. A lot of con artists, a lot of scammers, a lot of people lost, man, just wanting to party and party and party, chase girls. And next thing you know, you're gonna wake up 30s and 40s and like, damn, I'm not married. Well, you're too busy chasing girls all the time. You're not going to church, you're in the club, you're drinking, you're doing drugs. What respectful woman is gonna wanna marry you? You don't even respect yourself. Oh, I don't have any money. Well, it's because you spent your 20s and 30s not doing nothing. No, not developing any skills, not studying, not going to the meetups, not developing friendships that can help you and elevate you because they're smarter than you. So maybe they went to college. You're overweight because you're out drinking all the time. You're eating bad foods. You're hungover, so you eat cheeseburgers and french fries. Trust me, I lived the life, so I know. But yeah, I just want to talk to you guys about that. I don't really talk too much about mindset, like a real estate developer. I like to preach about real estate development because that's 100% what I do. But also remember, I've lived both sides of this life. I was the party animal, the broke animal in my 20s. Then I went to prison and changed my life. And I started reading, started developing skills, learning. And then I got out. I continued to listen to all those personal development books. And what they kept telling me, lots of people, you surround yourself. Get on a routine, get on a schedule. Don't let the devil come in and play, because that's when you start doing dumb shit, right? So that's what I did. Got my structure right. Wake up, work out, read, and I work. I consume my day in real estate development all day long, one way or another. I'm not chasing 15 rabbits, trying to get rich. I chase one rabbit, real estate development, building homes, making a bunch of money. That's all I do. So when you see all these people walking around me, which one are you? Are you going to be that fit person going to the gym, rich, healthy, married, with a beautiful family? Or are you going to be some of these other people walking out the clubs on the way to the next after hours, party and continue to keep the good times rolling? Because trust me, the good times are going to be rolling. You can party here all day, all night, get on the yacht, go to another party. It never stops until you're broke, dead, can't handle it, pass out in hospital. That's what all these people do. And it's music week this week. So many people partying. But see what I'm doing. Morning cardio, headed to the gym. And then I'm going to the Palm Beach boat show. I'm going to look for some more yachts. If y'all been following me for a while, you know next off my goal that I'm going to check off is going to be a yacht. And so yeah, I ended up buying that multi-million-dollar car last year, which I was going to buy a yacht. But hey, we got a multi-million-dollar car. So this year, we might be getting the yacht. Definitely want the yacht, but I'm going to be taking my family. See, I want it for other things. I want to take my family out. I want to take my friends on vacation. My positive friends, not the friends that want to use you, abuse you. They want to do bad things. We want the good friends that we want to go to church. We're going to take them to the Bahamas, take their families to the Bahamas, take my family, my son, my friends, my son's friends. Their families can't afford it. So I'm going to be the one to take all my son's friends around, take all my friends around. Because if it's to be, it's up to me. I'm not relying on nobody else. I don't want to jump on nobody else's yacht. I want to jump on my own yacht. Call my captain and say, hey, bring me my yacht over here. Hey, take me over here to eat. I want to go eat. So I ain't relying on nobody. I'm going to get my yacht. I'm going to do some positive things. And that's it. But I wouldn't be able to achieve all this stuff if I was in the club, if I was doing drugs, if I was drinking, if I was trying to get with every woman on the planet. That's a miserable life after a while. I'm glad I got my fiance. She holds me down. She holds the household down. So much better. I ain't got to be out here chasing women. I ain't got to worry about if they like me or if they just like my money, you know? I already got that part out the way. I got my son, we got our family, got our dogs, and we live a beautiful life. We have our own goals, ambition that we chase together each and every day. We're a power couple. I build the homes, she sells the homes. Now she started a design firm. She's designing homes. She's designing all my homes, and I'm paying her to do that. And she has a bunch of clients. So now she has her own ambitious goals with that company. It's just a beautiful thing to see, you know, working together with your family, making money, and not wasting your life on it. And that's kind of the message I want to tell you guys. Don't waste your life with the actions that you choose to make today. Number one thing, your daily actions today are going to give you the life you want tomorrow, whether you want that life or not. So be careful. But I'm about to get to the gym. Just want to make a quick video. I like to make these walking videos just to kind of reflect, and also so I can look back on it, you know, see what kind of mindset I was in 5 years from now and be like, dang, I remember walking the streets of Miami, seeing all those dumbasses walking around leaving the clubs. I'm glad I wasn't one of them. And now, probably in 5 years, I'll be on my third yacht, huge yacht, you know. Yeah, there it is. I can just watch my own videos, listen. Anyway, stop rambling to y'all. Hope y'all have a nice, productive day. I appreciate all y'all supporting my YouTube channel. And if y'all do want to get in real estate development, you know where to find me. Click the link below, schedule a call with me and my team. Let's get you set up. Remember, it's changed my life. It's changed fucking hundreds and hundreds of students' lives. As you can see on my YouTube, I go to their projects all the time. But yeah, I'll see y'all next one.